Oh shit. Here we go again.
Hey people, Kiara here from My Digi Affiliate, and today we're going to be promoting the $25 all-in-one business using Mind Lead Gen Secrets. Now the reason why I like promoting them because it's a system in which you need anyway when you start a business and so on and so forth. You know what I mean? When it comes to building a funnel, and like the most popular funnel builder right now is ClickFunnels, which costs at almost 4 times as much as this, with all kind of limitations towards it. And the second reason I like promoting this product is because it's 80% recurring income. Basically, you get paid every month from the same person over and over and over again. You can kind of build your income from that, like an actual job. And the more sales you get, you can slowly build it up. So anyway, let's keep it moving here and look at if we got a sale. Okay, as you can see, we did not get a sale yesterday, which is completely fine. It's completely fine. All right, so we're gonna just keep moving here. Now, for people, this is the all-in-one $25 business link right here. This is the one I'm promoting. All right, guys. I just want to make sure people are asking me which link I'm promoting, so I just want to show which link I'm showing in the emails. I'm sending this one. I'm sending this email here for this product. So anyway, let's keep it moving here. We're just gonna go to the next one here. 20-day full weekend money climb. We're just gonna do the next one. We're just gonna keep it doing like that. All right, so here's the link. Here's the video. That's my face. You already seen these. You probably already seen these emails here. Passive income keeps building, biggest day yet. Blah blah blah. As always, system keep trucking. Let me see here. Just in case you want to copy the email, I'm just. You can pause it right here, guys. Pause this part. All right. Right there. Pause. Okay. Right there. Pause. Okay. And then you just put your signature, whatever you want to do. I put a picture there. You can pick whatever you want. Anyway, we're gonna send the email here. Make sure you preview it, yours, guys. I ain't have to preview it because I don't send the email before, so I know it works. But make sure you preview it. Make sure your link works. Basically, click on this here, and when this is up here like this, you click on your link here. You make sure your link works, which takes you to this page here. This is the page that they're gonna come to. And I want to show you guys something else real quick, because I got asked this question as well. Sorry about that. That's the video playing at the top here. All right, so I wanted to show you guys what happens once you click into the link here. There's the $25 business, right? That's the funnel builder on so forth. You get a lot of stuff with it, right? Funnel builder, email traffic, swipes, the free lunch pad, right? You get all that for $25. Now somebody asked me what I was getting payments for $100 for. This is this product here. This product here is like training, live training, change training, basically how to promote this product, how to promote products in general, whatever it be. It's training, and you get paid $100 every month when people do this. See, it's $125 monthly starting in 2 weeks. When they pay the $125, I'll get the $100. That's what that product is. That's paying me $100 like that. I just wanted to make sure I clarify that, because the last episode I said that, and I think I saw a link. I think I saw a message asking me what is the $100 payments are. That's what it is. Okay, guys. It's other products in this system as well. Those are that pay as well. So I just wanted to make sure I show you guys that. Okay, that's done. All right, so we're gonna go here. We don't send the email here, so we good. Email's been sent. Make sure to hit perfect timing. What that does, send an email around time. People check the emails. And I think that's about it. This only took about 4 or 5 minutes, guys. Just do the same thing I'm doing. You can even record it like I'm doing here. Very easy thing to do. Edit it, put it on YouTube. You'll get more sales. Okay, guys. Just copy what I'm doing, because it's working for me. It'll work for you. It might even work even better. And I'm only using one account. I'm using a very small account of My Lead Gen Secrets. I use my other accounts for other stuff, but I'm just focusing on this for this product, because the reason I'm only using one account is because I want to kind of initiate like what people would get with minimum effort. You know what I mean? This is minimum effort. This is the least amount of effort I'm doing for this product. You know what I mean? And I'm still making a ton of money with it. So guys, you can make a TikTok page about it. You can make a bunch of TikTok page about it. TikTok, Instagram, Pinterest, Facebook. You can do all of this stuff for this product and really scale it like crazy. But I'm just doing this like this because I'm not too worried about, like, I'm financially secure, so I'm not too worried about like really taking this off. But you know, cause I'm more interested in showing how it works at the beginning here. So it works when you don't put that much effort into it, I guess is what I'm trying to say here. I'm trying to say that you don't need to even do a lot of stuff to promote this to make money. You see what I'm saying? Because it's 80% recurring commissions. All right, guys, that's how amazing the product is. Anyway, that's all there is about that, guys. All the links are in the description below. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.